Hey everyone, this is Cody Sell here. Welcome to a commodity training video number 1. This is 1 out of 5, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the Canadian dollar and oil and taking a look at how they move together. All right, so it's one thing to read something in a PowerPoint, it's another thing to see how it plays out in the live markets. All right, so here is USD CAD on the 4-hour time frame. Now, this is an analysis that I've had, very simple. I've cleared a lot of it off on USD CAD for a while now, quite a bit. I went through this with everyone a while back, and it played out real nice. Obviously, it did as we expected, broke, retest, head to the top of our channel. We were looking for sell trades on pivots, came all the way back to the bottom, found support, etc. But guys, what's the overall picture here? The overall picture is that we are bullish on USD CAD, right? Which means that the Canadian dollar itself is what? Most likely it means that the CAD is weak or bearish. Okay, so if the Canadian dollar is weak or bearish, remember, because it is in the second position of our fraction here, meaning it's in the denominator of our fraction, so we would expect then that if CAD correlates with oil, that oil would also be weak or bearish, right? That's what we would expect here. Looking at, and let's just keep in mind here, we're saying that USD CAD is bullish. Okay, so if you understand that, we can move forward. So that's a little bit of correlation terminology there, but ultimately, guys, we're looking back all the way to October of 2018. So we're looking at least a few months of data here on USD CAD. So keep that in mind because that's significant, right? We're not just looking at like the last 45 minutes, okay? And as you guys can see also, let's make a note that in the current market's looking pretty bullish here. We found support and we're heading bullish, right? On top of everything else. So now that you guys get this picture, let's go ahead and take a look at oil. So US oil. All right. Wow. So what do you guys see? It's the exact opposite, right? The exact opposite, guys. We've been in a downtrend forever now. And then we recently found resistance. And what? Been heavily bearish recently. See how this works? All right, so this is what we mean when we say that there is a heavy correlation with oil and the Canadian dollar, because the value of the Canadian dollar is based on Canada's economy, and the value of Canada's economy is heavily dependent on the value of oil. So this understanding of economics and a little bit of political science helps us understand more about trading and how to better capitalize on things in the market. So similar to using the dollar index to value USD pairs, it's very helpful to use oil to help understand Canadian dollar pairs and vice versa, okay? So hope you guys understand this correlation now so that we can move forward next video and take a look at some other commodity correlations.